So look, I mean, you gotta have a planner. Like I have a planner right here. I cannot live without this planner, right? So every single Sunday I sit down for 45 minutes to an hour and I plan my entire week. First I look back and see what was done in the previous week, what was not done. If there's certain things that I want to move to this week, I do that, right? But I'm planning my entire week on Sundays. That's number one. Number two, every single evening before I go to bed, I just write down the things that I want to accomplish the next day. And they don't have to be a lot of things, a lot of tasks. And that's, I think, the biggest mistake a lot of people make is the fact that they put like 10 or 15 things that I want to accomplish the next day. And it's way too overwhelming. Man, if you really want to move the needle, identify 1 or 2, 3 things that are really going to help you with your business and focus on those things. And ideally what you want to do every single morning is you want to focus on those things only. Not other things, not responding to your emails or text messages, not checking your Facebook. Focus on 2 or 3 things that are most important in your business. And by the way, all of us know what's most important in our business. Do those things done by 12 o'clock, and after that, you can take it easy and do other things.